back to my channel Gayatri Elite Videos. Hope everyone did your best in Term 1 Social Science exam. So today I am going to give the key. Section A, attempt any 20 out of 24 questions. First one, industrialization began in which one of the following European countries in the second half of the 18th century? Answer is D, England. Second one, which type of governments were mainly driven in Europe after the defeat of Napoleon in 1815? Answer is A, conservative. Third one, which one of the following group of countries collectively defeated Napoleon in 1815? Answer is A, Britain, Russia, Prussia and Austria. Fourth one, in which one of the following countries did the first liberalist nationalist upheaval take place in July 1830? Answer is A, France. Fifth one, who among the following remarked, when France sneezes, the rest of Europe catches cold? Answer is B, Metternich. Sixth one, who among the following was the architect for the unification of Germany? Answer is A, Otto von Bismarck. 7. Who among the following had sought to put together a coherent program for a unitary Italian republic during 1830s? Answer is C, Giuseppe Mazzini. 8th one, in which one of the following states is overgrazing the main reason for land degradation? A, Maharashtra. 9th one, identify the soil which ranges from red to brown in color and saline in nature. Answer is C, arid soil. 10th one, which one of the following forces leads to a maximum soil erosion in plains? C, running water. Question 11. Deforestation due to mining has caused severe land degradation in which one of the following state? Answer is A, Odisha. 12th one, who among the following was proclaimed King of United Italy in 1861? B, Victor Emmanuel II. 13th one, which one of the following subjects is included in the Union list? Answer is A, communication. 14th one, which one of the following elements is not included in the Belgium model? Answer is D, there is a community government which has special powers of administration. Question 15, which one of the following countries is the example of holding together federation? Answer is B, India. 16th one, which one of the following ethnic communities is in majority in Sri Lanka? D, Sinhalese. 17th one, which one of the following subjects is included in the state list? Answer is B, business. 18th one, activities that help in the development of primary and secondary sectors come under which one of the following sectors? Answer is C, tertiary. 19th one, identify the correct feature of unitary form of government from the following options. Answer is D, the subunits are subordinate to the central government. Question 20. At the initial stages of development, which one of the following sectors was the most important of economic activity? Answer is A, primary. 21. Activities in which natural products are changed into other forms come under which one of the following sectors? B, secondary. 22nd one. The products received by exploiting natural resources come under which one of the following sectors? Answer is D, primary. 23rd one, which one of the following factor is mainly responsible for declining water level in India? Answer is D, overutilization. 24th one, which one of the following subjects is included in the concurrent list? Answer is D, marriage. Section B, attempt any 18 out of 22 questions. 25th question, two statements are given below as assertion and reasoning. Read the statement and choose the most appropriate option. Assertion, after Russian occupation in Poland, the Russian language was imposed on its people. Reason, the use of Polish soon came to be a symbol of struggle against Russian dominance. According to me, the answer is B, but the CBSE released key is A. Here, this question is in objection. We will wait for the final decision of the CBSE. So, answer should be B, but given A. Question 26. Read the facts regarding the revolution of the liberals in Europe during 1848 and choose the correct option. Answer is D, 1, 2 and 4 are correct. Question 27. Two statements are given below as assertion and reasoning. Read the statement and choose the most appropriate option. Assertion, weavers in Silesia had led a revolt against contractors in 1845. Reason, the contractors had drastically reduced their payments. Answer is A. Both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Question 28. On which of the following modern aspects did the New Germany place a strong emphasis? Answer is D, 1, 2, 3 are correct. 29th one, which one of the following Italian states was ruled by the Italian princely house? Answer is D, Sardinia, Piedmont. 30th question, identify the characteristics of Cavour among the following and choose the correct option. Answer is B, 1, 2, 3 are correct. Question 31, two statements are given below as assertion and reasoning. Read the statement and choose the most appropriate option. Assertion, in Britain, the formation of the nation state was not the result of a sudden upheaval. Reason, ethnic groups of Britain extended its influence. Here this question also is in objection. The given key is A, but the correct answer is C. Assertion A is true and reason is false. We will wait for the final decision of the CBSE. Question 32. Which among the following is not a problem of resource development? Answer is D. An equitable distribution of resource. 33. Which one of the following human activities has contributed most in land degradation? Answer is A. Deforestation. Question 34. Two statements are given below as assertion and reasoning. Read the statement and choose the most appropriate option. Assertion: Indian farmers should diversify their cropping pattern from cereals to high value crops. Reason: this will increase income and reduce environmental degradation simultaneously. Answer is A. Both assertion and reason are true. Reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Question 35. Again, this question also is in objection. We'll check the question. Majority community is dominant in a few democratic states. Reason: dominance can undermine the unity of the country. Given key is A, but answer should be B. Question 36. Two statements are given below as assertion and reasoning. Read the statement and choose the most appropriate option. Assertion: power sharing is good. Reason: it helps to reduce the possibility of conflicts between social groups. Answer is A. Both assertion and reason are true. Reason is the correct explanation of assertion. 37. Choose the correct pair among the following. Answer is D. Argentina Federal. Question 38. Two statements are given below as assertion and reasoning. Read the statement and choose the most appropriate option. Here assertion: the distrust between Sinhalese and Tamil communities turned into widespread conflict in Sri Lanka. Reason: 1956 Act recognized Sinhala as the official language. Answer is A. Both assertion and reason are true. Reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Question 39. Identify the horizontal power sharing arrangement among the following in modern democracies. A. Different organs of government. Question 40. Match column 1 with column 2 and choose the correct option. Here answer both A and C are correct. Both options are same. Question 41. Which of the following countries is an example of coming together federation? Answer is A. United States of America. Question 42. What is not an integral part of the government? Answer is A. Office of the Prime Minister. Question 43. Two statements are given below as assertion and reasoning. Read the statement and choose the most appropriate option. Assertion: Kerala has low infant mortality rate. Reason: Kerala has adequate provision of basic health and education facilities. Answer is A. Both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Question 44. Suppose there are 4 families in your locality. The average per capita income of whom is rupees 10,000. If the income of 3 families is rupees 6,000, rupees 8,000 and rupees 14,000. Respectively, what would be the income of the 4th family? Answer is C. 12,000. Question 45. Which one of the following sectors shows the highest share in GDP, gross domestic product, in India? Answer is C. Tertiary. 46. Which one of the following sectors shows the highest share in employment in 2017 and 18 in India? Answer is A. Primary. Question C consists of 2 cases. Each case number of questions is 6. Attempt any 5 questions of each. Question 47. How is primitive subsistence agriculture related with zooming? Answer is A. It is based on shifting cultivation. Question 48. The slash and burn agriculture is known as Konuko in which one of the following countries? Answer is Venezuela. A. Question 49. The slash and burn agriculture is known as Roca in which one of the following countries? Answer is C. Brazil. Question 50. Identify the major problem of zooming cultivation. Answer is D. Low production. Question 51. In India, slash and burn agriculture is known as beaver in which one of the following states? Answer is B. Madhya Pradesh. 52. Match column 1 with column 2 and choose the correct option. Answer is A. Second case study. Question 53. Which one of the following economic sector is Lakshmi related to? Answer is A. Primary. Question 54. Which one of the following categories of farmers is Lakshmi related to? C. Marginal. Question 55. In which one of the following sector is underemployment seen at the maximum? B. Agriculture. Question 56. How does construction of dams and canals create employment in large numbers in rural areas? Answer is C. Adjustment of large number of unskilled laborers. Question 57. Which one of the following is the main result of increasing irrigation facilities in the field of agriculture? Answer is A. Increasing production. Question 58. Which one of the following means of irrigation generally comes under the public sector? Answer is D. Canal. This section D consists of map questions. Question 59. On the outline political map of India, A is marked as a dam. Identify it from the options. Answer is C. Hirakud. Question 60. On the same map, B is also marked as the largest jute producer state. Identify it from the following options. Answer is A, West Bengal.